In this tutorial video we will show you how to remove my eye on Snapchat app. First, open the Snapchat app. Then tap on the little profile picture icon at the top left. Then tap the gear icon at the top right. Then scroll all the way down until you see the privacy controls. And open this Clear Data option. Find Clear My Eye Data. And tap on it. And tap Confirm. The chatbot will be deleted from your chats, but keep in mind that this is a temporary solution. There's no way to remove it completely. For now they don't give us that option. Only the users that have Snapchat Premium subscription can have the option to fully remove the Snapchat eye bot. That is how you can remove the Snapchat eye bot.